Hey guys, what is up? It's Hamza Bayoumi here, and today welcome back to another Hamza Bayoumi video. And today I'm going to be showing you my Delta cards and the airplane magazine that I got. So let's start off with the Delta cards. Here is the front, and this is the back. So let's open them up and examine it. So let's start off with the 767-400. So let's look at the back. Boeing 767-400ER. Speed is 517 miles per hour, 832 kilometers per hour. Range is 6,336 miles, 10,012 kilometers. Engines are 2. Wingspan is 171 feet, 552.1 meters. Tail height is 54.9 feet, 16.7 meters. And seats is 246. The air flowing through a 767-400ER engine at takeoff power can inflate a blimp in 7 seconds. And this is card number 51. So on to the next one. We have a Delta Airbus A330. So let's look at the back. So here we have the Delta Airbus A330-300. Speed is 531 miles per hour, 832 kilometers per hour. Range is 5,343 miles, 8,599 kilometers. Engines are 2. Wingspan is 197.8 feet, 60.3 meters. Tail height is 56.3 feet, 17.2 meters. And seats is 293. The Airbus A330-300 has a maximum takeoff weight of 513,670 pounds, 232,997 kilograms, equivalent to 34 elephants. That's what the description says. And this is card number 47. So, on to the last Delta card, we have the Delta 717. So, let's look at the specifications. So, Boeing 717, speed is 504 miles per hour, 811 kilometers per hour. Range is 1,510 miles, 2,430 kilometers. Engines are 2. Wingspan is 93.3 feet, 28.5 meters. Tail height is 291 feet, 8.9 meters. And seats is 110. And this description says, the 717 has a maximum takeoff weight of 121,000 pounds, 54,885 kilograms. And this is card number 40. And these Delta cards are from 2016. Alright, so let's look at the magazine. So, you can see that we have the Gemini Jets models and the diecast aircraft models. See pages 52 to 55. So let's look at this magazine. Oh, sorry. Here, this is what the magazine looks like. Model yard. And the pilot clothes. The airplane stuff. Like the Antonov 225. Aerowear pillows, ultimate comfort. All this stuff. Pilot's hats. And airplane stuff. A lot more. Some diecast aircraft models, like some military jets, and more planes, some more pilot merch, and some commercial planes like the Boeing 737. Here's an American Airlines 737-800 right here. Also, there's a Delta 737-800. Now moving to the other side. Look at this, they're in planes, like Goodyear blimp and a Southwest 737-800 and more military jets. So, last side. So, more military jets and helicopters. There's also a United 737-800 and the Airbus House A300-600 ST. So, more pilot merch, more merch. There's like warning Area 51, more pilot shirts. If you want to skip to the Gemini Jets page, you can. Some more stuff, a lot more stuff. There's some Gemini Jets models. More tables, color changing lamps, like military jets and stuff. Here is the Gemini Jets diecast models, made for collectors by collectors. Here's a Lufthansa Cargo MD-11F with interactive series. Same for the UPS MD-11. Here we have a TWA 747-400, the 747 SP, I'm sorry, the Aerologic 777F, the Avianca Airbus A320. Here's a TWA MD-82, Antonov 124, Porter Airlines Embraer 195, United Airlines 787-10. Here's a Gemini Jets airport and hangar. Alright, so here's all those planes, like GlobalX Airlines, Airbus A320, Braniff International Airways, Boeing 727-200. There's a Seattle Kraken Airbus Boeing 737-9 from Alaska. There's also a United Airlines Boeing 777-300ER, an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER, Delta 737-800, and a lot more stuff. So, and this is the end of the magazine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the review on the Delta cards and the magazine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you later in the next one. Bye, guys.